Welcome to FK iPhone. Today we are diving into the Vivo Y15 2025 edition, a budget-friendly smartphone that packs some interesting features. If you're looking for an affordable device with a stylish design and decent performance, stay tuned as we break down its features, exterior and overall value. Starting with the display, the Vivo Y15 comes with a large IPS LCD screen offering an immersive viewing experience. The resolution has been improved compared to previous models, ensuring better clarity for videos and games. The refresh rate is optimized to provide smooth scrolling and an enhanced user experience. Whether you are streaming content or browsing social media, this phone ensures a vibrant and sharp display. Under the hood, this device is powered by a reliable processor suitable for daily tasks like web browsing, social media and light gaming. While it may not be a powerhouse for heavy gaming, it handles casual tasks smoothly. The phone runs on the latest version of FunTouch OS, which brings some UI enhancements and improved system stability. With an optimized power management system, the battery life is expected to last throughout the day on a single charge depending on usage. Fast charging support is also available, allowing you to quickly top up your battery when needed. Moving on to the camera setup, the Vivo Y15 features a multi-lens rear camera system designed to capture decent shots in various lighting conditions. The primary sensor offers good detail, while the additional lenses provide support for depth effects and macro photography. On the front, there is a selfie camera optimized with AI features to enhance skin tones and details, making it great for video calls and social media content. The camera software includes multiple modes such as night mode, portrait mode and pro mode, giving users more creative control. When it comes to design, the Vivo Y15 sports a sleek and modern look with a glossy or matte finish depending on the variant. The body is lightweight yet sturdy, offering a comfortable grip. The fingerprint sensor is either side-mounted or embedded within the display depending on the version, making unlocking the phone quick and secure. The phone also retains a headphone jack, which is a plus for those who prefer wired audio options. In terms of connectivity, the device supports 4G or even 5G depending on the region, along with dual SIM capabilities. Storage options vary, with the ability to expand via a micro SD card, giving users more flexibility. Other essential features like face unlock and system-wide dark mode are also present to enhance the user experience. Now for the conclusion, is the Vivo Y15 2025 worth it for those looking for an affordable smartphone with a good display, decent cameras and reliable battery life? This phone checks most of the boxes. It is not meant for heavy gamers or power users, but for everyday tasks and casual entertainment it performs well. The design is modern, the software is optimized and the features are balanced for its price range. Let us know what you think about the Vivo Y15 in the comments. Would you buy this device, or are you looking for something else? Don't forget to like, subscribe and hit the bell icon for more tech content on FK iPhone. See you in the next video.